Gabby, what are you eating? What's that? Yeah, what's that?
Pizza.
Is it yummy? Gabby, what are you eating? What's that? Yeah, what's that? Yummy pizza? Is that your favorite? Oh. Gabby, what shape is this?
Yellow.
Good job. What color?
Yellow.
Good job.
Yellow.
How about this? What shape is this?
Size.
What color?
Orange.
Good job.
Orange.
How about this? What shape is this?
Cherries.
This is
Rectangle.
What color?
Orange.
Good job, honey. This one. What shape is this?
Lemon.
What color?
Yellow.
Good job. How about this one? What shape is this?
Apple.
No, this is square. Good job. What color?
Orange.
Orange. Good job. How about this one? What shape?
Apple.
Half round. Good job. What color?
Yellow.
Good job. Anak, this one is yellow green.
Yellow.
Yeah, this one is yellow green. Good job, honey. How about this one? What shape is this?
Apple.
Oval. Good job. And what color?
Yellow.
Yellow green.
Yellow. Green.
Good job. Sit down, honey. Okay, good. Chicken, go. Eat now. Is it good? What's that, love? Was it chicken? Gabby, what's the name of your tatay?
Jingle.
Is Ding Dong Pogi? How about your mommy? What's the name of your mommy? You, what's your name?
Daddy.
Yummy.
Mommy.
Honey, what color is that?
Orange.
Okay, next one. What color? You choose. What color?
Orange.
Orange again? You choose another one. Okay, orange again. Good job. What color is that?
Green.
Green.
Next one.
Next one.
Pink.
Okay. Good job. Next one. What color?
Pink.
Pink again. Good. Next one. What color?
White.
White. Next one. What color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job. Okay, very. Alright. Gabby, what's this? Nice. This one.
That's milk.
This one? Yeah.
Yakult.
This one.
Chucky.
Okay. Among the three, what do you like? Ice cream?
This
Yeah. Chucky. Good job. Open. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Open, mommy.
Okay, open, mommy. You like the Chucky? Shake, shake, shake.
Here goes. Hi, Chucky.
Say bye. Flying kiss to them. Please
Please
like
share
and
and
subscribe.
subscribe.